Dayton Foundation. Graduate of Fairmont East High School and the University of Dayton, Karen's continued her lifelong leadership activities by enriching the lives of those she serves. From serving as a Girl Scout leader, Boy Scout mother, and a school classroom parent, she enabled hundreds of young people to achieve their maximum potential. As Sochi's Vice President of Finance and Contracts, Karen guides the accounting and expenditures of over $6 million annually and has a spotless record of clean audits throughout her career. At Sochi, she is part of a team that serves high school and college students by connecting them with employers across the region for work-based learning opportunities. As a Dayton Women's Club trustee, Karen's expertise in grant writing, budget development, and contract management has allowed the historic club to transform into a 501c3 nonprofit whose mission is devoted to empowering women and strengthening our community through historical preservation, public engagement, cultural activities, and educational programs. Karen's positive approach to problem solving, along with her can-do spirit and creative insight to address any actual or perceived organizational need or issue, has made her an invaluable asset to any and all organizations she serves. Optimist Centerville Noon Club, Wanda Stouffer. Oh, I'm reading two different pages, sorry. Dayton Women's Club, yes, Wanda Stouffer. The Dayton Women's Club is proud to nominate Wanda. Wanda Stouffer's lifelong career of service to others and sharing her time, talent in the arts, and mentoring support to people of all ages has made her a role model and positive influencer on the lives of many students and associates. Since her arrival to the Dayton area over 70 years ago, first as a dedicated mother and wife, then as a career educator, Stouffer has nurtured many to experience the enrichment that music can create in helping to broaden one's perspective on the beauty found in living. Wanda's 3 children are blessed by her ability to teach them how to focus on the essence of sharing faith, love, and hope for creating a better world by instilling in them a can-do attitude when meeting life's challenges in both learning and living their lives to their highest potential. As a music educator for 20 years, primarily within a junior high setting, over 600 students each year benefited from learning to harmonize and gain confidence in performing before others while helping to personalize a positive approach for perpetuating lifelong learning endeavors. Stouffer's dedication to sharing the healing, creative effects of music within our community are ongoing today. In 1969, she single-handedly established the presence of International Fraternity of Sigma Alpha Iota to the Miami Valley area to both a college and alumni setting. Dayton's SAI group has continued to meet monthly to enhance the sharing of musical talents for others to experience. Thank you, Wanda, for your dedication. Exchange Club of Dayton, Shahida Salim. Ms. Shahida Salim is very dedicated, diligent, and intelligent volunteer who has served her Dayton, Montgomery County community for over 4 decades. She has attended and volunteered for many Exchange Club of Dayton community events. Mrs. Salim has empowered many men and women facing offender reentry issues from jail, treatment, and prison by providing clothing for job interviews, bus passes for important appointments, and food for homeless families. Mrs. Salim served as a volunteer for the Circle of Vision Keepers Recovery Sober Women's Housing Program and was president for the Ahmadiyya Women's Auxiliary for 4 years as a continuous service, helping to empower all women to attain a strong spiritual foundation. Mrs. Salim continues her role as a volunteer by addressing the many social problems in our community. Her leadership helped the Muslim and Dayton community by organizing events to support the underserved and needy. Mrs. Salim was a dedicated worker at MCJFS and retired after 31 years of service. Her warm mannerisms and natural charisma, compassion and kindness quickly attracts and provides comfort for those less fortunate in our community. Exchange Club of Dayton, Destiny Brown.
Yay.
Destiny Brown is an experienced community wellness advocate whose work focuses on the elevation of residents of disinvested communities in the areas of health equity, reproductive health, housing, and demarcation. She currently serves as a community organizer with Advocates for Basic Legal Equality, known as ABLE, in Dayton, Ohio, where she leads efforts with community coalitions to improve housing conditions for tenants and ensure police oversight through community engagement. She is the founder of the Dayton Tenant Union, which successfully secured more than $1 million annually from the City of Dayton to fund local housing initiatives. She has served as a